So today we are going to do analysis on the volatility time market and then see how we can place trade and see how profitable that can be for us. So subscribe to this channel, like this video so that YouTube algorithm can push it as far as possible, and then comment your thoughts or write comments. So let's just dive right into the video without further ado. There's only one way that I personally take my trade, and if you understand this pattern right and well enough, you are bound to always win your trade without applying some voluminous indicators or unnecessary overcrowded charts. You don't need overcrowded charts for you to be able to profit from a trade. You just need simple strategy. Now let's look at something like this. I might have to swipe my phone this way. Let me turn my phone this way. Okay, look at this strategy right here. Now I'll draw it and then come back here. Now let's use a simple trend line to analyze this chart now. Now what I normally do while analyzing my chart is I analyze my chart all the way from a bigger time frame, then I come to the smaller time frame to place my trade. It's just as simple as that. Now let me connect these points here together. All right, you see the way it's connected. This is 4 hours time frame. If I must place trade on this chart, I'm placing it in 1 minute time frame, right? Okay, now let's look at this. If I connect this other point here too. Now can you see something right there? Now what are we waiting for right here? We're expecting a breakout, right? Now we are expecting a breakout. Then now there's something that you need to do here. Now the rate at which this went up here, all right, so I'm going to have to duplicate that. When this breakout occur, is the same rate at which it's going to go either up. Let me see if I can duplicate that. Okay, I can't, so I have to draw another one. Okay, is the same rate at which it's going to go up or this other way, or maybe go down. All right, for some reason I think I need to let me adjust this to a daily time frame. All right, so I could move that right there. All right, so let's move back to 1 hour time frame. Okay, all I needed was this to be this way. So just as simple as that. Now what are we expecting to happen right here? Is a breakout, right? We are expecting a breakout right here. All right, then this other one here is what I need to shift down here this way, and then let me move it to 1 day time frame. Okay, I wouldn't want it that long. All right, so back to 4 hour time frame. So we are expecting a breakout in all those areas. Okay, let me disable this notch. All right, so now once a candle forms successfully below the line, which is the one down here, then you know that the breakout is going to be a large trend in a sell position, and then if it breaks through this one, you know that it's going to be a large trend in a buy position. And then what I actually do in this case is come to 1 minute time frame and place my trades. All right, I hope you understand what I'm telling you. Come to 1 minute time frame and place my trade. If you see 1 minute time frame, it works according to what you are seeing in 1 hour time frame. So you see, this is the way this is now. Let us place an illustrated trade. Although there are some trade that were left on the chart, all right, long before now. Now subsequently, when I keep making video, you're going to see the result of all these things that I'm doing right here now. Now let's come back to 1 hour. Now you see that in 1 hour there's also an expected breakout. All right, we're also expecting a breakout in 1 hour, But in 1 hour, if you look at this 1 hour time frame, you notice that there is a double bottom already. You know what happen whenever there's always a double bottom. All right, you know what normally happen. It always go back up. All right, it always go back up. So if you understand what I'm trying to do right here, let me get rid of that, or let me just put it this way. Now look at the double bottom here. All right, we're expecting something like that right there, so let me delete it. All right, so something like that, like the right there. I think I already used this particular line to depict, so which means that the breakout is likely to go in the buy direction. So most times when I take my analysis, let's say in the bigger hour time frame, and then go to smaller hour time frame and place my trade. And in most cases, let's say if I could decide to go as far as taking a day time frame. All right, now look at this day time frame. Look at the analysis we did in 1 hour time frame. Can you see it? Now typically, let's get something out of this. Typically, what will happen on this chart right here is that this market here is supposed to go as far down as this place. All right, but before it goes down there, this is daily time frame. That is in the next couple of days, it's going to go as far down here. But before it goes that far down, it will go back up this way, to go back up this way. And then when it gets to this extent, before it starts coming back down this way, and when it comes back down, it will come as far as this. So when it goes back up, it will go in such a way that you will have the double top. All right, the double top that you all know, like me, I used to call it M method. All right, most people call it double top. All right, this double top right here. So once that double top is achieved, then it will come back down. All right, so you can see that already in this bottom here, there's already a double bottom. All right, there's already yeah, which I normally call the W. And whenever you have the W, normally my chart is not always like I say, we'll keep it simple, but it's not always as clear as it. But if you understand the analysis I'm making for you, so now whenever you have a double bottom, now if you look at this double bottom, this W strategy, discover that this arm here is longer. So now the next arm is always, which is this other side, is always supposed to be an equivalent to the previous arm. All right, so I don't know if you get what I'm saying. It's supposed to be the same height. All right, okay. Let me get that this way. So it's supposed to be the same height. All right, so now this other height, this other second arm of the W is not yet completed, so there's no how you can expect the market to start going downward. All right, so if you understand this very well, then you can place trade on any chart and then win. Now look at the weekly time frame. All right, I think I should get rid of all the drawings, delete all drawings. Okay, okay, delete all drawings. Okay, I think I need to just remove them individually. All right, so I'm looking at the chart in 1 hour time frame. Okay, I'm just trying to clear all this so that. All right, so here we are. Now you can look at the nature of the chart. All right. Although there was a bearish engulfing at the end of it, like right here, a bearish engulfing, but another bullish candle is about another bullish candle is about to occur, and it's candle pattern formation. Whenever it's successfully formed, like equal bottom, like the way this one is right here. Okay, let me try to remove this. Okay, whenever there is an equal bottom like this. Okay, now look at the bottom of this candle. Whenever there's an equal bottom like this, it's always a big signal for an uptrend. Okay, it's always a big signal for an uptrend. So let me reduce this chart. All right, now look at that chart now. Now indication shows that as a result of this, there's going to be a big reflection upward this way. Now, which means that all through the week, the market is going to be that blossom. All right, yeah, the market is going to go up that way. And then if you check the overall trend, let me move this way, you discover that it is actually on a buy trend. So this is how I take my analysis. Then I come to 1 minute and then place my trade. You can see the one we place. You can see how far it has gone already. Already there has been some trade running. Let's take a look at them. Okay, okay, already there has been some trade running, so you can take a look at them. So they are reading back into profit right now. Look at the one we just placed, the last one here. All right, so eventually all these things here are already into profit. All right, now it does. Look at them. So why the breakout is being expectant on the breakout. Okay, a breakout in the buy direction. For most cases, you wait for the breakout before you place your trade. But technically, based on my little experience, I know which direction it's going to go. All right, I can speculate which direction it's going to go, which is in the buy. As you can see, if you're a professional trader out there, you will even notice that. All right, so this is typically how to work around your trade, and then you make a whooping amount of profit. So let me know if this video was helpful to you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on that notification bell button so that whenever I upload educational video like this, these are videos that you pay $1,000, $500, $200 for, you'll be the first to be notified about it. So see you in my next video.